In a small village nestled among rolling hills, there lived a wise old sage named Kaida. Kaida was known far and wide for her profound wisdom and unwavering happiness, which seemed to emanate from her very being. One day, a curious young traveler named Aiden arrived in the village, seeking to uncover the secret of Kaida's boundless joy. Intrigued, Aiden approached Kaida and asked, "How do you master happiness?" Kaida smiled warmly and invited Aiden to accompany her on a journey. Together, they embarked on a quest to explore the world, seeking the essence of true contentment. Their journey took them through bustling cities, serene forests, and tranquil beaches. Along the way, Kaida imparted valuable lessons to Aiden about gratitude, compassion, and the importance of embracing life's imperfections. As the seasons changed, so did Aiden's perspective. He learned that happiness was not a destination, but a way of being. It was found in the simplest moments, a shared laugh, a kind gesture, a beautiful sunset. Finally, after months of exploration, they returned to the village. Aiden now understood that mastering happiness was not about a grand revelation, but a gradual transformation of the heart. In the end, Aiden became a beacon of happiness himself, carrying Kaida's teachings forward. The village flourished with a newfound sense of joy, and the legacy of Kaida's wisdom lived on. Join us on this heartwarming journey as we uncover the secrets to mastering happiness. Like, share, and subscribe to spread the joy. Remember, true happiness is a journey, not a destination. Embrace every moment and find joy in the little things. Throughout their adventure, they discover that happiness lies not in grand revelations, but in the simple moments of life.